Good morning, Dave McKernan, Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management. What a week. Earthquakes, and now we're headed into preparing for a hurricane. Hurricane Irene is expected to make landfall here shortly in North Carolina. Fairfax County will be affected probably early Saturday evening and through Sunday morning, possibly through the afternoon on Sunday. Some of the things that we would like our residents to do is prepare for this event. Have plenty of food, water on in your homes. Prepare for electrical outages. Have a good communications with your family, and once the storm is over, you come out and you start looking around and just don't forget your neighbors, because it's very important, especially the elderly, that we look after each other and make sure that we're all doing very well. If you have any problems, please dial 911 and we will send emergency equipment to you. Thanks.